This is downlink. We are beginning to fetch data from Mars 2020. This is downlink, confirming we received Mars 2020 telemetry, confirming that we received Mars 2020 events, confirming that we received helicopter data products, confirming that we have data products, confirming that we unpacked image and 1 Hertz data, confirming helicopter file listing, confirming expected boot counts. This is downlink, confirming battery data has been received.
Rotor motors appear healthy. Swash plate servos appear healthy. Overall actuators appear healthy.
We will begin processing shortly.